This is NNK English Academy YouTube channel. We are focusing on PGTRB in English, Unit 5 Shakespeare's Drama. Part 1 already available in our YouTube channel. This is part 2 for detailed study. The Tempest. We are covered most difficult questions, expected questions as well as the previous year's questions. More than 25 multiple choice questions with answer. We are taken that for the fast revisions. If you have any queries and comments, kindly to text me nnkenglishacademy@gmail.com. First question. Prospero most often describes Gonzalo as dash. The options are option A arrogant, option B honest, option C wise, option D wicked. Prospero most often describes Gonzalo as a dash. The correct answer is option B honest. Next question. Prospero tests Ferdinand's love for his daughter by. The options are option A making him a servant, option B making him perform magic, option C assigning him feast of physical strength, option D asking him to track down Caliban. Prospero tests Ferdinand's love for his daughter by. The correct answer is option A making him as a servant. Next question. Throughout the play, Alonso is grieved by dash. The options are option A remembering his bad deeds against Prospero, option B the knowledge that Prospero is still alive, option C his daughter's unfavorable marriage, option D thoughts of his son's death. Throughout the play, Alonso is grieved by dash. The correct answer is option D. Throughout the play, he thought of his son's death. Next question. Prospero made Caliban a servant primarily because Caliban is dash. Option a son of witch Sycorax. Option B, ill-natured. Option C, tried to rape Miranda. Option D, brutish character. Prospero made Caliban a servant primarily because of Caliban is dash. The correct answer is option C. He tried to rape Miranda. Next question. According to Prospero, where did the king's ships land after the tempest? The options are option A Malta, option B Naples, option C a neighboring island, option D Bermuda. According to Prospero, where did the king's ships land after the tempest? The correct answer is option D, Bermuda. Next question. Which of the following is not a major theme of the tempest? This is a previous PGTRB question. Which of the following is not a major theme of the tempest? Options are option A rebirth through love, option B new colonial issue, option C forgiveness versus vengeance, option D political legitimacy. Which of the following is not a major theme of the tempest? The correct answer is option A rebirth through love. Next question. Who speaks the following words in the tempest? We are such stuff as dreams are made on. It is also previous PGTRB question. The options are option A Miranda, option B Gonzalo, option C Prospero, option D Ariel. Who speaks the following words in the tempest? We are such stuff as dreams are made on. The correct answer is option B Gonzalo. Next question. Miranda is dash. It is also a previous year question. Miranda is dash. The options are daughter of King Lear, option B daughter of Polonius, option C, daughter of Prospero, option D, goddesses. The correct answer is Miranda is a daughter of Prospero. Next question. You taught me language and profit on it is I know how to curse who speak these words. It is also a repeated questions. The options are option A Caliban, option C Ariel, option C Trinculo, option D Stefano. You taught me language and profit on it is I know how to curse who speaks these words. The correct answer is option A Caliban. Next question. Forgiveness and reconciliation is the theme of dash. Previous year question. Option A Tempest, option B Macbeth, option C Measure for Measure, option D Twelfth Night. Forgiveness and reconciliation is the theme of dash. The correct answer is option A Tempest. Which of the following is Shakespeare's farewell play? It is also a previous year question. Which of the following is Shakespeare's farewell play? The options are option A Tempest, option B Cymbeline, option C Winter Tale, option D As You Like It. Which of the following is Shakespeare's farewell play? The correct answer is option A Tempest. Next question. The rarer action is in virtue than in vengeance. These words were spoken which Shakespearean character? The options are option A Prospero, option B Ariel, option C Miranda, option D Adrian. The correct answer is option A Prospero. Next question. What shape does Ariel assume at the magical banquet? The options are option A harpy, option B sea nymph, option C eagle, option D hound. What shape does Ariel assume at the magical banquet? The correct answer is option A harpy. Next question. Which of the following is not a great tragedy of Shakespeare? It is also a previous year question. The options are option A Tempest, option B Hamlet, option C Othello, option D King Lear. Which of the following is not a great tragedy of Shakespeare? The correct answer is option A Tempest. Next question. Who helped Prospero and his little daughter with food, water, book, etc. when they were abandoned on the damaged ship? It is also a previous year question. The options are option A Gonzalo, option B Alonso, option C Francisco, option D Stefano. Who helped Prospero and his little daughter with the food, water, books, etc. when they were abandoned on the damaged ship? The correct answer is option A Gonzalo. Next question. I will break my staff, bury it certain fathoms in the earth and deeper than did ever plummet sound. I will down my book who utter these words. The options are option A Prospero, option B Alonso, option C Francisco, option D Caliban. Again the question. I will break my staff, bury it certain fathoms in the earth and deeper than did ever plummet sound. I will drown my book who uttered these words. The correct answer is option A Prospero. Next question. When Prospero arrives on the highland, he sets Ariel free from a dash. The options are option A pine tree, option B cave, option C bush, option D sea. The correct answer is option A pine tree. Next question. Who believes the hare and highlands breeds upon his ear most sweetly? The options are option A, Adrian, option B, Ferdinand, option C, Francisco, option D, Gonzalo. The correct answer is option A, Adrian. Who believes the hare and islands breeds upon his ear most sweetly? Next question. Prospero, the Duke of Milan, devoted himself more to the study of dash. It is 2019 PGTRB question. Option A, black magic. Option B, philosophy and magic. Option C, art. Option D, philosophy and literature. Prospero, the Duke of Milan, devoted himself more to the study of dash. The correct answer is option B, philosophy and magic. Next question. What does Prospero promise to give Ariel at last? The options are option A, ownership of the island. Option B, his daughter's first-born child. Option C, his freedom. Option D, fine clothes. What does Prospero promise to give Ariel at last? The correct answer is option C, his freedom. Next question. What do Prospero and Ariel use to distract Trinculo and Stefano from their scheme to murder Prospero? The options are option A, bottles of alcohol. Option B, masks. Option C, Prospero's magic book. Option D, fine clothing. What do Prospero and Ariel use to distract Trinculo and Stefano from their scheme to murder Prospero? The correct answer is option D, fine clothing. Next question. When Ariel makes the banquet disappear, what do the men do? The options are option A, laugh. Option B, draw their swords. Option C, run away. Option D, quietly watch him. When Ariel makes the banquet disappear, what do the men do? The correct answer is option B, draw their swords. Next question. What do Miranda and Ferdinand do when they first see each other in the play Tempest? The options are option A, curse each other. Option B, fall in love with each other. Option C, dance. Option D, ignore each other. What do Miranda and Ferdinand when they first see each other? The correct answer is option B, fall in love with each other. Next question. As he tells his story, how many times does Prospero tell Miranda to listen? It is minute information in this play. As he tells his story, how many times does Prospero tell Miranda to listen? The options are option A, 3 times. Option B, 8 times. Option C, never. Option D, only once. As he tells his story, how many times does Prospero tell Miranda to listen? The correct answer is option A, 3 times. Thanks for watching NNK English Academy PGTRB multiple choice questions. Subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. If you have any queries and valuable suggestion, kindly to text me nnkenglishacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.